just woke up at 6 a.m. because it's freezing. It's 2 degrees. I'm wearing socks and sweater, but it's too cold. And I put on the heater and let's see. It's time. Rose water from Italy. It's so cold. And last but not least, sunscreen. Okay, I'm ready to go. Woo, 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 woo. It's fucking 6 a.m, bro. That's way too early for me. Bye bye, cute foggy lake. Now we're going to the waterfalls. Okay, I'm halfway there, but I found a really cute city, which I'm gonna check out now. Okay, I have arrived. I put on my hiking gear, and now I'm trying the second hike. I think it's gonna be cute. A few waterfalls. Let's see. I know it does make sense, but I feel like I would survive. If I would fall down there, I would survive. Okay, yes, I would definitely die. Waterfall number 2. Yes, they're all gonna look the same. At the end of the day, it's just a waterfall. But let's keep going. The best waterfall I've seen so far. The creepy part begins. It's crazy how literally, maybe I said it already, I don't know. No one speaks English here. I'm like, no French, sorry, sí, no, español. Jesus Christ. I wanna get undressed for a new person. Cute, no? Oh my god, next city. I can't believe 33 kilometers, taking 50 minutes. It's insane. By the way, I decided to go to Genfer. I don't know why. And I just drove 3 hours and I'm almost there. I'm really excited. I feel like it's gonna be very cute. And I wanna work on a horse farm. I feel like that would be great. Oh my god. I freaking made it. Jesus Christ, is this beautiful. This is how you activate your incense in a van, because I can't find my lighter. Yay! So this is my evening ritual for tonight. I'm gonna draw a bit, then I'm gonna drink my ginger tea, my incense, and then maybe I'm gonna read my book, and then I'm gonna fall asleep. It's been a lovely day. Love you, miss you guys. I don't miss you. What the fuck? But yeah. See you tomorrow.